Well, let's start discussing the previous year question paper of Punjab University MSc Zoology entrance test conducted in year 2020. So starting with the very first question, which of the following amino acid has single codon? The correct answer here is tryptophan. Tryptophan is coded by a single codon, that is UGG, right? Other options have multiple codons. Next question, how many base pairs are there per helical turn in jet DNA? So the correct answer is 12 base pairs, right? So this was a repeated question. DNA footprinting technique is usually used to identify. The correct answer is site of DNA where DNA binding protein attach. So DNA footprinting, it's not finger, right? Site of DNA where DNA binding proteins attach. Next question. In which of the following geological period did first word appear? First word appear. The correct answer is Jurassic. The first word क्या थे? Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx. They appeared in the Jurassic period. Next question. Oh, sorry. Michaelis constant is a measure of which one of the following? The answer is affinity of enzyme for its substrate. Okay. Michaelis constant, also known as Km, right? And it reflects the substrate. Oh, sorry. Michaelis constant DNA base pair means it's set between the DNA base pairs, right? Next, which one of the following vitamins has a role in collagen formation? The answer is vitamin C or ascorbic acid. The another name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid, right? So it is essential for collagen synthesis, right? We heard about of skin care, and there we will talk about collagen, and vitamin C rich food is recommended. Next, inhydrogastrulation occurs by. The answer is multipolar ingression and delamination. Oh, sorry. So these are the form of gastrulations. Gastrulations, what is that? The movement of the cells, right? Next question. In the cell body of paramecium, the elimination of undigested product take place through the answer is cytophiles. It is a structure through which undigested waste is eliminated in paramecium, right? Next question. Skeletal skeleton cell of cycone would include. The correct answer is scleroblast. They secrete skeletal elements like spicules. Okay, where in sponges or in cycone, right? Next question. Neopallium appeared for the first time in one group of vertebrates and reaches at high level in another group of vertebrates. The two groups of vertebrates in question are respectively, the correct answer is D, reptiles and mammals. So Neopallium first appeared in reptiles and reached advanced form in mammals, right? Next question. A competitive inhibitor. The correct answer is increases Km of an enzyme. Competitive inhibitors increase Km value. They increase Km value, but they decrease affinity. But do not affect Vmax. Vmax remain constant. And what are competitive inhibitors? What are competitive inhibitors? They fight for same active site on enzyme, right? Next question. RNA can sometimes be copied to DNA. This process is facilitated by the answer is reverse transcriptase, right? Where DNA is synthesized from what? mRNA, right? So this is reverse transcription, and it is seen in viruses, retroviruses, right? Next question: which one of the following sub-process does not take place during protein synthesis in eukaryotes? The answer is methionine formylation. So methionine formylation occurs in prokaryotes, but it do not occur in eukaryotes में नहीं होती है, right? Next question: which one of the following cells secrete testosterone? Important question. That testosterone is secreted by the Leydig cells which are present in the testes, right? And Sertoli cells क्या है इनका role? They are nurse cells, means they provide nourishment. And spermatogonium and spermatocyte, they are involved in spermatogenesis. Next question: vasopressin plays a key role in? The correct answer is osmoregulation. This hormone, also known as ADH, antidiuretic hormone, and it regulates water reabsorption where? In kidneys. You heard about this ADH or vasopressin hormone, right? Next question: which of the following cell organelle shows acid phosphatase activity? The correct answer is lysosomes. They show acid phosphatase activity for what? For cellular digestion, right? Next question: taste buds are? The answer is exteroreceptor. Why? They detect external stimuli, which is taste. So they are exteroreceptors, right? Next, insertion or deletion of a single base in DNA strand is known as frameshift mutation, right? Frameshift mutation. It occurs in genetic code. We know na what is DNA? It is a segment of gene where A, T, G, C, these are arranged in these groups and so on. If we say we remove, we insert or delete, say we delete one base, thymine, then it will AGC, ATGC, right? The pairing were earlier in the form of these codons. Now it will be AGC, ATG. So this is frameshift mutation, right? Next question: which one of the following echinoderm possesses a respiratory tree? The answer is C, cucumbers. ठीक है? And what is the role of respiratory tree? Simple, gas exchange, respiration, है ना? Next question: a deletion in short arm of chromosome number 5 produces in human a genetic disorder called? The answer is Cry-Du-Chat syndrome. This is again a repeated question, right? Next question: three pallial areas, namely archipelium, paleopalium and neopalium, are present in? The answer is reptiles, right? And these all pallial complex, they all contributes for brain development, right? Next question, question number 23. Which of the following cell organelles forms acrosome? Important question, acrosome of the sperm. The correct answer is Golgi complex, right, or Golgi apparatus. This transforms into the acrosome during spermiation, right? Next question, indeterminate cleavage occurs in? The correct answer is annelids. Indeterminate cleavage occurs in annelid, right? Indeterminate cleavage means the fate of the daughter cells will not be fixed, right? Next, ovulation in vertebrates is induced by? The correct answer is luteinizing hormone. LH, right? Next question. Blastula in echinoderms and amphioxus is. The correct answer is coeloblastula. Coeloblastula mean the blastula is hollow. The blastula is hollow, right? I'm going to say this is blastula. Here are blastomers and there is cavity called blastocoel. So it is a hollow. Next, which of the following processes leads to the formation of polytene chromosomes? The answer is repeated replication without separation of chromatids, right? ठीक है, means DNA is replicating, there are multiple formation of DNA, there are multiple formation of DNA, right? But they are not separating or they are not dividing and they leading to the formation of polytene chromosomes. Okay, next question. Trichocysts occur in. The correct answer is protozoa. Protozoa. They are defensive organs. They are defensive organs and they are found in protozoans and protozoans include like paramecium, okay, paramecium, plasmodium. These are what? These are protozoans, right? Next question. Choanocytes in ascenoid sponge are present in. The answer is atrium. The answer is atrium. So, what is atrium? It is the central cavity. It is the central cavity. We know about the structure of cyclone. This is like something this. These are outer layer. Here lies your podocytes, choanocytes, and the cavity is lined by these choanocytes. They have cilia over them. They have cilia over them. Why? To develop a water current. Water current, right? Next question. Which of the following mollusks does not have either external cell? The correct answer is Aplysia. Aplysia. It lacks both external and internal shell, right? These mollusks do not have external or internal shell. Next question. Which one of the following group of amino acid contains sulfur? Again repeated question. The answer is cysteine, methionine and cysteine, right? These are amino acid which contain sulfur. Next, ecdysone, the molting hormone in insect, is liberated from. The correct answer is prothoracic gland. ठीक है, so this gland it secretes ecdysone which helps in क्या function है इनका molting. Next question. The fertilization cone that pulls the sperm into the egg is formed from. The correct answer is plasma membrane of egg. So fertilization cone that engulfs the sperm is formed by the egg's plasma membrane, right? Next question. Animals which can tolerate wide ranges of salt concentration are called rest on bottom of water. Are called euryhaline animals. They can tolerate wide ranges of salt concentration. They are called wide ranges of salt concentration, right? Next. Centrum in the ninth vertebra of frog is. The answer is procellus. It means anteriorly it is concave and posteriorly it is convex, right? एंटीरियर से कैसा होगा कनकेव, पोस्टीरियर की तरफ से ये होगा कन्वेक्स. ऐसा होता है ना कनकेव. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ लेंसेज, कनकेव एंड convex. Sorry, this is concave, right? Next question. Which of the following enzyme is not proteinaceous in nature? The correct answer is ribozyme. Ribozyme. Why? Because they are itself catalytic RNA. ठीक है, some RNA act as enzyme. They are called ribozymes. Next, cerebrospinal fluid is produced by. The correct answer is choroid plexus. Choroid plexus. They are present in brain. And cerebrospinal fluid, it run between your cerebrum, spinal cord or brain, right? Central nervous system. The function of allantois in word is, again repeated question, the correct answer is excretion and respiration. Next question, allopatric speciation occurs when population shows. The answer is geographic isolation. Next question, which of the following is neither fish or snake? Neither fish nor snake. The correct answer is Ophiosaurus, right? So Ophiosaurus is a limbless snake, limbless lizard. It is neither fish nor snake, right? Next question, intervening sequences of gene are called. The answer is introns. So introns are non-coding sequences of genes, and they are need to be removed from the mRNA, right? Next question, hydrolytic enzyme in eukaryotic cell are present in. The answer is lysosomes. Again, what the function? Intercellular digestion. Next question, the earliest known jawless fossil vertebrates with heavy The earliest known jawless fish fossil vertebrates with heavy armor of dermal plates are collectively known as. The answer is ostracoderms. They are jawless vertebrates, right? Next question, which of the following metazoan phyla are grouped under Radiata? The correct answer is Salentrata and Ctenophore, right? This phyla exhibit radial symmetry. Next question, which of the following is a freshwater sponge? The correct answer is Spongilla. Next question, Golchidium and Velizer are larval forms of. The answer is bivalves. Bivalves, right? Next question, germinal centers found in lymph node and spleen stimulates the secretion of. The correct answer is D. They are site of antigenic stimulation of mature B cells. Next, uropygeal gland is present in. The correct answer is pigeon, and they are necessary for feather maintenance. Feather maintenance, right? Next question. Tideman body in Asterias is concerned with. The answer is production of amoebocytes. They are required for immunity. Next question, thermoregulatory center in mammal is located in. The answer is hypothalamus. In which one of the following stages of mitosis is the maximum chromosomal condensation observed? The answer is metaphase. In metaphase, maximum chromosome condensation occurs. Next, the first human hormone produced by rDNA technology is insulin, right? Next, heteromorphic nuclei occur in. The answer is ciliated protozoa. Heteromorphic nuclei. Next, zoological name of she hare is Aplasia. Next, Miracidium. Which one of the following is free swimming larval stage of fasciola? The answer is Miracidium. Next, rotational cleavage occurs in mammals, right? It occurs during early development. Next, mesoderm does not give rise to. The answer is nervous system. Next, Unio belongs to class. The answer is Pelecypoda because they are bivalvia. They have two shells connected by a hinge, right? Next question, Aristotle lantern is found in the class. The correct answer is Echinoidea, right? मतलब sea urchins. They occurs in sea urchins. Chewing and lapping type of mouth part are found in. The correct answer is honeybees and bumblebees. Next question, complete metamorphosis or holometabolous development following stages are present in egg, larva, pupa and adult. In which of the following sweat glands are absent? The correct answer is spiny ant eaters. In them, sweat glands are absent. Next, which of the following is opisthocoelous vertebrae? The correct answer is cervical vertebrae of some ungulates. Next, in crocodiles, stomach is divided into cardiac fundus and pyloric region, like they are typical in vertebrates, right? Next question, which of the following is not sensory cranial nerve? The answer is VI6, that is abducens. It is not sensory, it is motor nerve, right? Next, which of the following is unpaired air sac of bird? The answer is interclavicle. It is unpaired. Next, stomach is straight in. The answer is turtle. They had straight, simple stomach, right? Next question, 4 aortic arches are present in adult. The answer is urodales. Urodales. और एग्जाम्पल क्या है इनका? salamander. They have 4 aortic arches. Next, hyostylic jaw suspension is found in. The answer is elasmo. Oh, sorry. The answer is answer is elasmobranchs. ठीक है, मतलब lung fishes, right? Next, mucus gland are absent in skin of. The answer is mammal. Which of the following are characteristic of both class 1 and class 2 except B? They are expressed continuously on all nucleated cells, right? Next, which of the following is not a crustacean larva? The correct answer is Branchiolaria. It is an echinodermal larva. It is an echinodermal larva, not crustacean. Next, red data book are directories of endangered species compiled by. The correct answer is IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Next question, all the biological communities depend upon the energy made available to it through the activity of autotrophs. Very simple question. Next question, enzymes for the urea cycle are present in. The answer is in both cytosol and mitochondria of liver cells. So hope you guys these answers are clear to you. Thank you.